Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss about the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In previous class, we have discussed that introduction and classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So today we will discuss about the preparation. So the first preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes from alcohols. So from alcohols there are 5 types. You can say that is first one. This one is your alcohol plus HX. HX is your hydrogen halide or hydrohalic acid in presence of ZnCl2. ZnCl2 is your catalyst. HX and ZnCl2 combinedly is called Lucas reagent. That is your Lucas reagent. Then it will form RX plus H2O. RX, alkyl halide. X, you take in place of X, that is chlorine and bromine. Okay. Then second type, again ROH, the general formula of alcohol plus PCl3, or you can write PX3. X is your chlorine and bromine. PCl3. Then again alkyl halide, RX plus, or X is your chlorine, so you put here chlorine plus, that is your H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Okay. Then next one is your again alcohol plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, gives again alkyl halide, that is your chloroalkane or alkyl chloride plus, that is your POCl3, phosphorus oxychloride. Okay. Plus HCl, visible, plus HCl. Then ROH plus SOCl2. This is your thionyl chloride. SOCl2 is your thionyl chloride. Then again it will form RnCl, RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay. Then the last one is your ROH plus sodium bromide, NaBr, in presence of sulfuric acid, gives, what is the halogen here? Bromine, RBr plus NaHSO4, sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate, you can say. Okay. Plus your H2. So these are the 5 important types of preparation of alkyl halide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, from alcohols. So the first one, alcohol may be primary, secondary or tertiary. If the alcohol is primary and secondary, then you can use ZnCl2. If the alcohol is tertiary, then no need of use of ZnCl2, because tertiary alcohol is more reactive. Because tertiary carbocation is more reactive, you know. So no need of give the ZnCl2. Automatically it will be give the turbidity. Turbidity means precipitation. Okay. Then this fourth one is also important. The thionyl chloride, because the byproducts, this one and this one, these are byproducts. These are main products, and the others are byproducts. Okay. So SO2 and HCl are escapable gas. Escape out. Only left behind the alkyl halide. Okay. So this method is important. This method, these are 2 important methods. And these are the phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride. These are the types. Only the difference, H3PO3, POCl3 and HCl. In PCl5, POCl3, HCl, and PCl3, H3PO3. Okay, students, these are all are from alcohols. Then second is here free radical halogenation. So in second free radical halogenation, you know what do you mean by the free radical? When a covalent bond homolytic cleavage takes place. Homolytic cleavage takes place means where the homolytic cleavage takes place. If the 2 elements having the similar in electronegativity, there can also homolytic cleavage takes place. In class 11 you have read. Okay. So second bit, that is your free radical. halogenation. Free radical halogenation. Suppose we are taking an example of butane. This example is given in your book. Okay, CH2, CH2, CH3. In presence of suppose bromine or chlorine you can take. Then in presence of sunlight, absence of sunlight, there is no reaction. So bromine can replace hydrogen by homolytical. You see CH3, CH2, 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 Cl, or mixed products, or CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, Cl, along with byproducts HCl. This one and this one. This one is your primary alkyl halide. This one is your secondary. Which one is more stable? Secondary alkyl halide. This one is major product. Major. Why? Because you know the secondary carbocations are the most stable. Okay. Similarly, this one free radical halogenation. You can take here butane, pentane, hexane like this with Br2 or Cl2. Okay. Then third, after these two preparation, third one is your electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction, in class 11 also you have read. Electrophilic substitution reaction means electrophile will substitute another group. Okay, so electrophilic substitution reaction, that is in presence of FeCl3, LCl3. These are the Lewis acid. FeCl3, okay, ferric chloride, and that is electrophilic substitution. Suppose benzene, in presence of even we are taking suppose Cl2, then in presence of FeCl3 catalyst, FeCl3, then the halogen will replace. This is your chlorine plus, in each corner all carbon having one hydrogen plus that byproduct HCl. Okay, these are all. You can take another example. Suppose this is your CH3 plus Cl2, again FeCl3 to form CH3, ortho position Cl plus para position Cl. This is also, you have read in that is your hydrocarbon last part, aromatic hydrocarbon plus HCl. This one is your major product. This one is your minor product. Why this one is your major product? Because para matlab means more symmetric. More symmetric. If you want to make a building with bricks and with stones, which will be more easier. Bricks, because bricks having regular shape, that is matlab means symmetrical. So this one is your major product. So these are about the electrophilic substitution reaction. Here Cl plus is a electrophile attack and give two products. This is your ortho product, orthochlorotoluene, orthochlorotoluene, parachlorotoluene. Okay. So next one is your next Sandmeier's reaction. This one is most important. Sandmeier's reaction. First, second, third, fourth. Sandmeier's reaction. This reaction also in the lesson fourth lesson of organic compound. That is a amine, nitro compound. Okay. So when aniline, the name is your aniline, when treated with sodium nitrite, ITE plus, suppose HCl or HX. Okay, H is your chlorine and bromine. Okay, then it will at the temperature of 0 degree to 5 degrees Celsius, or you can write in Kelvin. So NaNO2 HX2C, NaHX, NaX, replace out. So you put here 2. So NX, then 2H, 2H, O2, 2H2. Then what are the remaining things? N, X. So N2, X plus, what are the byproducts? NX plus another one, H2, that is a 2H2. So this is known as benzene diazonium halide. Halide, if you put here chlorine, then chloride, bromine, bromide. Okay, chlorine and bromine. Benzene diazonium, diazo group. Diazo group is your N2 group. N2 group is called diazo group. Then this is known as this step. This is known as Sedgman's reaction. This reaction is a part. This is known as diazotization. This reaction is known as diazotization. Here, then next part. After formation of benzene diazonium halide, N2H plus in presence of Cu2 H2, it will form X plus N2. X plus N2. This is for chlorine and bromine. If to prepare hydrobenzene, then you take N2X plus Ki, potassium iodide. This is important. For preparation of hydrobenzene, it will form iodine lost and removed. Okay, here X is your chlorine and you write here X is equal to chlorine or bromine. Clear? Then next preparation is here from this is the first preparation from alkene. This one also that is in hydrocarbon. Okay, alkene two types, symmetrical and asymmetrical. Suppose C double bond C H H H H plus any you take one example, that is HBr. If it is symmetrical, then H and Br, negative and positive part, you can add with any one of carbon. Okay, so what is the product? C H H H C H H Br. Double bond that to form single bond. Okay. If it is unsymmetrical, you see, unsymmetrical, one side double bond. Okay, react with HBr. Then the negative addendum goes to that doubly bonded carbon atom which contains lesser number of hydrogen. So negative part is equal to less number of carbon atom, less number of hydrogen contained by carbon atom. So what will be the product? C H H H. Already one is H is there, then it will be a single bond, double bond broken to form single bond, then C H H H. This is the product. Okay, this process is known as Markovnikov's rule. Then another one is anti-Markovnikov's rule. If you are using peroxide, suppose CH3, CH, double bond CH2 plus HBr in presence of peroxide. Peroxides, we can say that is benzoyl peroxide. You know the formula C6H5 whole 2 O2. C6H5CO whole 2 O2. C6H5CO whole 2 O2. Benzoyl peroxide. To form the negative addendum, it goes to that carbon atom which contains that doubly bonded carbon atom which contains more number of hydrogen. So the product is changed. That is here CH3 CH single bond. What is that? One hydrogen will be added. Then CH2. What is the negative addendum? Here. This is the product. So both are alkyl halide. Markovnikov rule. This one is your anti-Markovnikov rule. You can say Kharas effect or you can say peroxide effect. Anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markov or Kharas or peroxide effect. So this is the fifth preparation. Then fourth. Then next one is here from halogen. This is most important, halogen. Sixth one. That is special to bromine water. Bromine water. Okay. When any alkene added with bromine water, what is the color of bromine? What is the color of bromine water? Reddish brown. Okay. Then it will form CH2 bond CH2 Br. Where the double bond is present in alkene, any alkene, in that two adjacent carbon atoms Br2 broken down to form Br and Br. That is also known as vicinal dibromide or vicinal dihalide product will form, and the color of bromine water will disappear. This reaction is also known as to identification of double bond in alkene. Okay, the position at which that chain contains the double bond, at that position only the bromine will attack to form vicinal dihalide. Clear? So this is known as halogenous or that is bromine water treatment. Okay. So next is here after that is a hydrogen. Already discussed. Then next one is here halogen exchange. Next one is here halogen exchange. 7. Halogen exchange. These are two types: Finkelstein and Schwarz. Finkelstein. Finkelstein reaction, and another one is Schwarz reaction. Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reaction. If sodium iodide react with Rx, alkyl halide, X is your chlorine and bromine, Rx plus sodium iodide. So sodium and iodine. Iodine is the less electronegative from chlorine and bromine, or than chlorine and bromine. Okay. Then halogen exchange, RINX. Exchange will be takes place. That is formation of alkyl iodide plus NX. If suppose AgF, then Schwarz reaction. Suppose a CH3Br in presence of AgF, methyl bromide, chlorine or bromine. We can take bromine or chlorine. I have taken that is bromine in presence of AgF, silver chloride. Chlorine is more electronegative, so it will form CH3F plus AgBr. This is Schwarz reaction. This one is your Finkelstein reaction. So these are all about your preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. So you go through the video, okay? And next class we will discuss about the physical and chemical properties of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Thank you.